Dear children, today in our GK class we are going to study the topic computers, that is given on page number 40. Dear children, now open to page number 40 in your book where the topic computers is given. No, I am not going to teach you the subject computer today. Rather, it's a topic given in your book. Children, you already have been introduced to computers since you study it as a separate subject, its part and its uses. And you also know that computer is an electronic machine which runs on electricity. You must have seen the desktop computers, or you might be having the laptops at your home. You can see computers at the places like schools where teachers use it for the teaching purpose. Students use it for studying, or at homes where you solve sums, you watch cartoons on it, you use your computers for drawing and coloring. Also, you see computers at airports or railway stations or bus stops where it is used for keeping records of the passengers, booking tickets, bill payments, or you see computers at banks, shopping malls where they are used for various purposes. Also, you know about that there are 4 main parts of computer. First one is your monitor, which looks exactly like a television, and whatever you type or give information to the computer, it displays it. The next part is your CPU, which is also known as the brain of computer. It's a rectangular box-like structure which stores information and conveys information to the computer. The third part is the keyboard, which has a lot of keys on it. Whatever you have to type, you make use of the keyboard. Then the fourth part is your mouse, which is used to point out or select things on the monitor. And this mouse looks exactly like looks like a real mouse. So you know these things, or I'm sure that you have studied these things in your computer subject. So here in this chapter, some questions are given, and on the basis of your knowledge, you have to do them. Let us read what is given in your chapter. Choose the correct options. Choose the correct option. So here around 3 questions are given for you, and for each of the questions 3 choices are given, and you have to choose the correct choice or the correct answer for the given question. So let us read the questions one by one. The first question: which part of the computer is like the screen of a television and shows us text and images? So you already know that the monitor of a computer looks like a television and it displays the text and the images Okay, so the answer here would be C option, that is the monitor. Let us move to the second question. Which part of the computer is known as its brain? I have told you earlier, and you know this thing, that CPU of the computer is known as its brain, or its full form is Central Processing Unit. It stores all the information that is given to the computer. So it is known as Central Processing Unit. That is, in short, it is known as CPU. It is a rectangular box-like structure. Okay. So here option C is correct. CPU is known as the brain of computer. Then question 3. Which of the following activities cannot be performed on a computer? इनमें से कौन सी एक्टिविटी कंप्यूटर नहीं कर सकता है या हम कंप्यूटर पे परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते? ठीक है. द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज प्लेइंग म्यूजिक. सो यू नो दैट कंप्यूटर इज यूज for playing music, or we can play music on computer. We can either play music or listen music on computer, or we can do both. B, heating food. Is computer able to heat food? No. So here this option is correct. Computer cannot heat food. We use gas stove or microwave to heat food. The third option is painting. So this you already do on computer. You paint pictures or images, you color them. Okay. So the option B is correct. Heating food. You cannot heat food on computers. Okay. Then here is an activity given for you. It's a color time activity. Let us read. Color time. In this keyboard, color the number keys red, the letter keys blue, the space bar green, and the enter key yellow. So you have to use different colors for different keys. So you have to color the number keys from number 1 to number 0. You have to color them with red color. Then the letters, the alphabets with ब्लू कलर. आपको नंबर कीज जो हैं, जो भी नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं 1 से लेकर के 0 तक, उसको रेड कलर से कलर करना है. देन लेटर कीज को ब्लू कलर से कलर करना है. ये होता है आपका स्पेस बार. ठीक है, ये जो लंबा सा बार दिख रहा है, द लॉन्गेस्ट की ऑन द कीबोर्ड इज नोन एज स्पेस बार. यू हैव टू कलर इट विथ ग्रीन कलर. हियर इट इज known as the enter key. Okay, so here you have to color the enter key with yellow color. This is a homework activity for you. This completes your chapter, computers. I hope you've understood it. Thank you, children.